everyone, and welcome back to The Break Show. I'm Valencia, the Stay Learning Girl. I have lots of other goodies coming your way, but I've been staying learning about Claude Fable 5. And so naturally, I had to see what could this do for learning. I've already built 3 different experiments. Over the next few episodes, I'll share what I built, what worked, and what surprised me along the way. Welcome to Experiment 1. Let's start the show. My goal is simple. Instead of creating a one-off demo, I want to build a reusable workflow that I can use for future tutorials. So I'm telling it what to do to create the interactive software tutorial for beginners, give it some specifics, and a why, and then what kind of outcome, and sample lesson creating your first AI avatar. I also have HeyGen open in another window. I've asked it to keep the tutorial 5 to 6 steps, to use my attached Stay Learning Girl image as an avatar reference. And lastly, there's the verification. The learner exports a talking avatar introducing lesson 1. And now let's run it. Look at this. Wowee. Now I should have told it my colors. Your interactive HeyGen tutorial is ready. It uses a Stay Learning Girl palette pulled straight from your image. The leafy green, black suit. Okay. The figure anchoring hero popping up as a coach throughout. Ooh. So, just going to make sure I understand what it created here. 6 clickable steps from sign in to export with a mark done checkbox. Learner fills in the progress dots. All right. So I'm looking at a Stay Learning Girl walkthrough. Ooh, I like it. Thank you. Step 1. Sign in. Open your app, HeyGen, and sign in and create a free account if this is your first visit. I do have HeyGen open, so I already have some avatars, but I'm going to go to the lesson and pretend that I did it. Next, pick your avatar. So this is guided. Choose your on-screen avatar. Now I get to add my script. Hit this button. Okay. Ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen.
Okay, so that's Valencia.
Hi, I'm Stay Learning Girl. Welcome to Lesson 1, creating your first AI avatar.
So for our first run, I'm so impressed of how quickly I was able to go from an idea to interactive tutorial and a finished video. Woo! As you can see, this isn't just about trying the newest AI tool. It's about exploring whether these tools can actually help us solve real learning problems. Could this become a software guide, a performance support tool, an interactive job aid? That's exactly why I'm excited to keep exploring. Over the next few episodes, I'll share more Fable experiments, new episodes of Fix the Flow, where I'll explore tools that might fit into your learning ecosystem, and a few podcast conversations, video podcast conversations with some amazing guests. As well as I've had some very great interviews with some software vendors are in the field. Thanks for taking a break with me. I'm Valencia, the Stay Learning Girl. And remember, the best way to stay in the game is to stay learning. Here are upcoming events in the learning community. Ah!